Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video has been so long awaited. Today I am working with Physicians Formula. Now if you don't know, Physicians Formula, you're about to know, okay? You guys will have seen me use this bronzer like 150 million times on my channel. It's literally my everyday bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I got my sister to buy me this when she was visiting LA like 2 years ago. I got her to buy me one and bring it home because you couldn't get Physicians Formula anywhere in the UK. It was so hard to get until now, okay? Physicians Formula is now available on Feel Unique in the UK. I am so excited about this launch. You have no idea. I've been waiting for this brand to be more accessible for you guys for such a long time. I always talk about this bronzer and you always ask me where you can get it. And you can get it from Feel Unique now. They knew I was a fan of the brand already, so they wanted to work with me on their launch, and I'm so happy and excited to be working with them. Guys, they gave me the goods. I've literally got one of everything that they make. I've rummaged through the bags and found everything that I think should be my shade. So I'm gonna do a full face testing these out. This is my first time using these products as well, so I'll give you my honest thoughts and opinions. I'm also doing a giveaway on my Instagram, so you can win every product that I'm using today. So head over to my Instagram. All you've got to do is follow me on Instagram, follow Feel Unique, and also tag a friend in the comments who you think would want to win this as well. And you could win every product that I'm about to use. So head over there to enter the giveaway. Everything is linked down below. So without further ado, let's get on with this because I cannot wait. Ignore my really sexy plasters. I got my travel vaccinations done this morning, so I'm a little bit of a pincushion today. So I'm gonna start with my base. That is definitely the thing that I am most excited for. So I've got loads of products to try. I'm gonna start with this because I'm intrigued by this. The Physicians Formula Skin Booster Vitamin Shot. It says time restoring anti-aging vitamin shot. It's kind of like a serum, I assume. It's got little like beads in it. Oh, that smells really nice. That smells like I could drink it. Gonna pop some of this on. Let's go. Oh, that's very cooling. This feels really lovely. It goes on thick, then it kind of just disappears into like a water. And then it feels slightly tacky, which I quite like because tacky products make things stick. So it will make whatever you put on top, aka your foundation, last. I'm feeling hydrated. I'm gonna continue to try this. This is the Argan Oil Primer with coconut oil. I'm gonna use this to pre-prime for the primer. That was such a fine mist. It's already nearly dry. But I've got a bit of a glow. I kind of just want to put everything on my face. For the like primer, I'm gonna use this. This is the Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer. Blurs, corrects, and protects, infused with 5 filtering luminescent pearls to blur imperfections and deliver a spotlight glow. So it's like a light champagne. I want to be glowing to the gods today. That has definitely given me a lovely glow. It feels really thin. It doesn't feel like it's super silicone-y. It kind of just felt like a moisturizer, and I can't feel it. I can't feel it on my skin at all. They have so many foundations. They have loads of BB creams, cushions. I was super torn when it came to which foundation I wanted to try, but in the end, this one was the one that kind of caught my eye the most. This is the Healthy Foundation Brightening Complex for all skin types, SPF 20, vegan, fragrance-free, clinically tested, hydrates, brightens, and evens the skin tone, ultra buildable, lightweight, breathable, hydrating. Sounds like my kind of foundation. I'm gonna use the shade MW2, which I think is medium warm too. Shake her up. So, oh, it's a doe foot applicator. It smells nice. It says buildable, so I'm assuming it's not gonna be really full. Let's give it a go. It's light to medium. So far, definitely light to medium. So let's see how it builds. It blended like a dream though. For those of you who aren't overly like into full coverage, this could be a really lovely option for you. Can you see how quickly that's blending? I'm barely touching it and it's just kind of disappearing into my skin, but giving me such a lovely light medium coverage. This is that is staying in my collection 100. Concealers I'm a little bit concerned about because they don't seem to have any full coverage concealers. They've sent me this, which is their Super BB all-in-one beauty balm concealer, which I'm suspecting is going to be a light coverage. The color is okay for me right now. Already it's very thin. I can already tell that it's a light coverage, but it's a BB product, so I didn't expect it to be full coverage. But let's see how it blends. All right, that took a little bit of building. It took a bit of building, but that looks gorgeous. That's really built up. That's got a good amount of coverage. It just took a little bit of finessing, and now it looks great. This is the Mineral Wear Loose Powder Translucent Light. This also has SPF. This has an SPF of 15. So you open it like this, and it's got a little sponge. I'm gonna take some of that powder. Okay, I'm gonna push that under my eyes. Oh, that looks really smooth. Pause who? We don't know Pause. She's not invited. I really like that. I think my skin looks really good. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. I'm gonna try my brows now, and you guys know what I'm like with my eyebrows. This could be amazing or terrible. So this is the Brow Last Longwear Brow Gel. I'm gonna use the shade Light Brown. Oh God. Okay, so I paint it on and then blend it in, is their instructions. Fill and define, then blend. I'm gonna really take a lot of the product off of this. I'm gonna brush through. I'm gonna be completely honest. I was really worried to try this product. I did not think I was gonna like this at all. For a first attempt, I don't think they look bad. It sets like a brow gel, so they're like set and held in place. So it's kind of a 2-in-1 product. So if you're in a rush and you already have like quite good brows, I say that is a really good, quick product. Just brush it through and you're done. On to the big boy. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Eyeshadow Palette in Tropical Days. I'm extremely excited about this. They've actually got 3 like example eye looks on the back, which I think is really helpful if you're new to makeup. But I've been around the block a few times, so I think I know my way around a palette. So there's the shades. It's got the signature butter bronzer smell. I'm gonna start with the kind of my skin tone color and just pop that in the crease just to set the concealer on the lid. And now I'm gonna take this gorgeous warm caramel shade. Oh, hi pigment. Wow, okay. This shade is a little touch darker than I was expecting it to be, but that's okay. It is super buttery, super pigmented. They have got a little bit of fallout in the pan, but I haven't got any on my face. Let's go in with this nice warm brown shade. Pop that on the outer. She's a rich lady. And also the inner. The one thing I would say is I wish that this palette had a mirror. That is my one critique that I'm giving it so far. I keep going to look in the mirror and there isn't one. But these eyeshadows are performing so well. I'm barely using any product and they're just building and blending so well. So I'm just gonna match the same. So I'm taking the slightly lighter camel color. I'm just gonna buff that under the eye. Also just taking that slightly deeper reddish brown under there too. We'll go for a simple summer grunge today, shall we? I wanna bathe in this eyeshadow. It's just blending like a dream. Let's get a little bit smoky up in here. So let's take this dark shade here. It is a little bit powdery, so make sure you tap off the excess to avoid fallout. And I'm just gonna, so gorgeously pigmented. It just blends, doesn't it? They just blend so well together. I'm not going crazy with this shade because I do want the focus color to be that red, but I do want a little bit of something. Also just pop that in the inner. Honestly, I'm barely using any product. I'm trying to be so light-handed here, but they're so pigmented that it's actually difficult to be light-handed. Like, do you see how fast that just built up to like a really intense color? I'm taking a touch of that dark brown right at the lashes and blend this out on the lower lash line. Tell me that's not a bit of me. I'm trying to think what shade I want to put in the inner corner, whether I want to go for a bit more of a rose gold. I was initially drawn towards this bronze, but I think it might be a bit dark. I think I'm going to start with the bronze and then pop that right in the center. Let's try it dry, see how it performs. And then I'm taking the lighter bronze. Just in the center. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's what we want. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Go buy this palette. Look at those colors and they've just blended like a dream. We got some eyeliners. We've got Gel Eyeliner Trio in brown. So one of these is matte. One of them is kind of not glossy, but not matte. And then one of them has glitter in. So I'm gonna take the matte brown and pop this on the waterline. Not the most opaque, but not bad. I just found this palette in the bag. This is the Shimmer Strip in Disco Glam. I'm gonna take a bit of this gold here and pop that just in the center. Just a touch. And then the lighter shade, I'm gonna pop right in the inner corner. Ooh! Boom. Eyeshadow complete. I was intrigued by this mascara. This is the Sexy Booster Cat Eye Mascara. A second for this packaging, look at that. It's like a thick plasticky wand. This looks nice. It's not the quickest mascara, like it does need a couple of layers, but that looks nice. There are so many skin products here that I'm excited to try, but I'll start with just setting my face. This is the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Powder. I think this is the powder that goes with the foundation. When I say, you guys, that my skin, my pores are non-existent, I'm so happy with the finish of how my skin looks right now. I'm gonna use the butter bronzer, but this is in Sunkissed. The one that I have is deep. This one's a little bit warmer, I think. I love the packaging for this. It's got like the ripples in it. And it just smells so good. Delicious, like you could eat it. Let's try this shade. Now this bronzer, oh yeah. This bronzer I like because it's not entirely matte, but it's also not shimmery. It's got like a satin finish, like a lovely glow to it. So it just gives your face like a warm kind of glow when it hits the sun, but it doesn't look like super shimmery. So I do kind of bronze and contour with it. Put on the neck. I'm gonna take the one that I already own because there's no point dirtying a new one. You can see how much I've used this. Deepen the contours slightly. Under the jaw. I've got a couple of options for blush. The Arganwear Exotic Blushing Glow, and it's a very bright pink with gold, just an overlay, like that will come off after one use. Got a butter blush, and I've never tried a butter blush before. Cute, same packaging but pink. That is a very light, very natural blush. I'm not afraid of blush, so I am gonna go in with a little bit of this one. So you see the gold comes off. Oh, beautiful. That's gorgeous. Now they've sent me another blush, which I think might work as a highlight. I have a highlight from Physicians Formula, but I don't know whether they still make it. But this has a lot of shimmer in, so I might use this. This is in the shade Natural Glow. I mean, I assume this is a blush because it's called a blush, but it's very light and has a bit more of a shimmer to it. Because you guys know me and you know I love to glow, I'm gonna use this. Now, I believe these are discontinued. I just went on the Physicians Formula website and it looks very similar to their Rosé All Day highlighters. So I am gonna use this, but I don't think you can get this anymore. This formula is super great. So I feel like their Rosé All Days are kind of comparable. The final stage. I don't think I've been sent a lip liner, so I'm just gonna chuck on a nude. So for my lips, they've sent me 2 different formulations. They've got the butter, they're like balms. Also the Healthy Lip Velvet Finish. So many shades. So I think I'm gonna do a lip swatch video of each collection on my Instagram. So if you wanna see all the colors, check out my Instagram. If it's not up yet, it will be up soon. That's not part of the collaboration. I'm just really excited about these colors. These smell, oh my God, like actual sweets. I feel like going for a brown. This is Brazilian Nut. That's pretty. These are lovely and glossy with like a good amount of pigment, but they're so hydrating. That is our completed look. Give you a bit of a close up. It's so soft. That's what I love about these products. Everything is soft. Like the word butter is the perfect word to describe the formula. It just melts into your skin. The eyeshadows blend like nothing else, and this lip product is so moisturizing and hydrating. Everything's just so easy and comfortable. It smells like the beach, and these are products that I could see people like using on the beach. This is a huge win for me. I linked every product I used down below for you guys to check out. Make sure you go and look at them on Feel Unique and follow me on Instagram, and make sure you head over to my Instagram to enter the giveaway. You could win all of these products. Thank you so much Physicians Formula and Feel Unique for working with me on this video. I'm so excited to play with so many more products from a brand that make one of my favorite bronzers of all time. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'm sorry it's a little bit dark. The sun is really going down now. Yeah, you guys have the best day, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.